Me and Charlie are going to the bar.
Where we going?
I don't know, where you want to go? Oh, thank you, sir. It's ectoplasm.
Ectoplasm. I don't know.
You want to go up the left?
Can't shoot left, but yeah, why not? We'll go up left, I'll shoot crossfield.
That's a good idea. Yeah, I'll stay in front of you and then you just take care of the doors. The right on the field is kind of tough. Well, I don't know, we can go to that. You want to go to that building?
All the way down there?
No, not that one. That one sucks. The one in the middle.
I can't really crouch much. I got the low walls.
So maybe we should just stay to the left end regardless, because then you could stand up at least. Yeah. False start! False start!
Running right, running right. Long ball.
Really?
Let him out! Back to the start.
Who's in that building?
Oh God.
Players out, let him out!
Yeah, my gun, it's still, I think it's broke in the cyclone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I'm shooting, it's just like curving hard. So I can't long ball anybody. Get up to that building. I need close quarters.
Okay, this one. Which one? Okay. Wanna go up? Okay.